Have right mentor is blessing for professional and personal journey. A mentor support our growth, encourage, and enable us in our professional and personal development. Serve as a source of knowledge. He is the one who is always willing to listen and serve as a trusted ally. Provide guidelines and offer constructive feedback to improve. Today is our guest, CA Dr. Rajkumar Adukia ji with us to fulfill our thirst to understand mentorship. So the very first question for you is mentor is a very special word. How do you define a mentor?
See, in a very simple language, mentor is one who is a trusted advisor. We use another word, mentee. And mentor is one who has an experience. If we go in the historically origin of the word mentor, then there was a person, Homer, who has written a book, Odyssey, and there is a movie also. So the goddess Athena, which we can say like goddess Saraswati, and which Odysseus' son was Telemachus. So mentor is a trusted advisor with experience who can take a mentee to sky height.
Why mentorship is so close to you?
Mentor, because all my growth, all my success has happened with innumerable mentors at different point of time. As soon as I became chartered accountant, in Bombay Chartered Accountant Society, there used to be meeting of young members. And that time, past president were there to guide us. And I said the young members are not getting opportunity. So they immediately told me, we are giving an opportunity, you do research, you take a study circle. So first study circle was taxation of salaries and perquisites. There was no work with me in July 1984. And for 15 days, I researched like an encyclopedia on that subject. And it's a cherished experience. And from that time onward, various mentors came in my life. Universe sent those mentors. And today also I learn from my mentors. So therefore, and knowledge is one product in the world which flows outwards. When somebody acquires a knowledge, knowledge will increase only if it is shared. There is only one product in the world which increases by sharing. Money will not increase by sharing, though it also increases by sharing when you do more good social work. But knowledge will come at number one, multiplication exponentially when one shares. And therefore, mentorship is so close to me at this stage of my life when I call myself 6-year young boy.
We have seen your energy level, so it's very high compared to what we all are having. And I would like to know that many young and experienced professionals come to you for mentorship. So what is your experience with them?
My experience is amazing. Uh, when because I advise and I forget it, those who come in my contact. But when I meet members and they say, because of you, I am in this practice. Because of you, I wrote this book. Because of you, I diverted my line of activities. It's a thrilling experience of mentoring. So mentor, I would say another ability of mentor is mentor will not remember what was said and whom he mentored. It is like a good job done and left it at that stage.
And let the fruits come on its
Yes,
own.
yes, yes.
So one good advice as a mentor which you give to everyone who comes to you.
I'm a strong believer of LOA, LOA means law of attraction. I'm a strong believer of universe principle. Even this universe was created twice. First, the Almighty thought that Almighty will create universe. If we read our Vedanta and the origin of the world, so there's a Hiranyagarbha story, you know, how universe was created. So I always tell anyone who comes to me that anything will happen in somebody's life twice. First in the mind and second time in the reality. And this order cannot be reversed. So when you will give a thought, so we get about 60,000 thoughts per day. So we should form a habit that we create positive thoughts only, negative should be immediately destroyed. And how a thought can be converted into reality. So I tell them, you know, when you think beyond boundary, think beyond resources, think without taking into account what you are having and what you can achieve. Then you will get whatever is your burning desire.
Very well said. Very well said, sir. Sir, why one have a mentor? One should have a mentor, and how a CA, chartered accountant, should search for it.
See, one should have a mentor because mentor will give an exponential growth. Without a mentor, also people have succeeded, but then it may take more time. One will be doing, you know, one's own homework. Like I still remember, if there are, like as a student, if we have a classes, we have another teacher, our learning is faster. We can ask our doubt. So I would strongly recommend that one should have a mentor. And how a search, you know, to get a mentor, God has given each one us a knowledge or perception that in one or two meetings we will realize whether this person should be my mentor or not. Because as I said, the two most important quality of a mentor is he is a trusted advisor, he or she. That means 100% sharing of the knowledge. If there is a reservation kept, something is not shared, then that person is not mentor. Secondly, the mentor should have that kind of experience. So like this has become close to me. So having 40 years experience, I feel, you know, there is a book, Todd Henry has written a book, Die Empty. He says the world's treasure is in the graveyard. So when we die, we don't take precious metal, gold, silver with me. But when we die, our body dies. So our head goes in the graveyard. So Todd Henry has said that our ideas, we should not carry to our graveyard. We should share with people. I see the videos. The founder of ISKCON, A.C. Bhakti Vedanand Swami, till last breath, you know, he was giving a translation of Bhagavad Gita. It's worth watching. It is in the Google platform. So that is the sharing spirit or doing spirit. Like in Bhagavad Gita, there is another theory of karma. Till our last breath, we have to. So I don't believe in retirement. You know, one will be active if one keep on doing the job. So therefore, mentorship has become very close to me.
Right. Very rightly said, sir. And इस पे एक दोहा याद आ गया मुझे कि गुरु गोविंद दो खड़े काके लागू पार बलिहारी गुरु आपकी गोविंद दियो बताए. And this applies to everyone who gets that guru in his life. So thank you very much for joining in our today's conversation. Stay tuned with our videos. Thank you.